me, this one feels a lot more grown. Man, I drove that thing to the grounds. Don't go into debt, building your car. The kid inside of me, of course. Yeah, it's definitely worth it.
I'm here with Stan today, aka Ghost V4 on Instagram. Now, some of you may recognize Ghost with his 10th gen Accord build, and now he's built an amazingly clean 11th gen Accord build. Tell us where you're from and what do you do?
From LA, Los Angeles, born and raised. For a living, I do IT. I work for Fox Sports. I have a 2024 Honda Accord Sport. It's pearl white.
What inspired you to modify cars in the first place?
Since a kid, I had a cousin, kind of like an older brother to me. He was into the whole JDM scene even way back then, which I didn't even know what it was at that time. It was all with the Datsuns and, like mini trucks. Being around him kind of inspired me to get into it. He used to have a BMW E30, which was like my perfect car.
Why do you love Accords so much?
My first car my mom ever bought me was an old beat up Honda Accord. Man, I drove that thing to the ground. So at first I didn't plan it. I ended up having just about every generation Accord that came out. So and then when the 10th gen came out, because I liked the styling of it. My first one was a 10th gen 2.0. The second one was a purple one. That one's a manual transmission.
So what kind of mods do you have on your car?
The front, I have the Yofer front grille, Yofer front lip. My wheels, they are SSR's Professor TF1s. And I also have the GF body kit from the side skirts. I have the rear diffuser as well too. The V2 RS taillights, Yofer spoiler, and I have the roof visor as well too. And I also have the digital license plates. And then my interior, pretty much I did Katskin. My color on mine is Cardinal red. I kind of wanted to keep it as OEM as possible. I'm also running on full airlift system, all around speakers inside, the Infinity Kappa's Skar audio system.
So how much do you think you spent on modifying your car?
I think I'm at 25K, but that's not including the money I spent on people that install things or things that go wrong. The car came out to, I think, 32, if I'm not mistaken.
Do you think it's worth spending that much in mods?
Well, the grown-up version will tell you no. But, the kid inside of me, of course, yeah, it's definitely worth it because it makes it fun for me. Like, literally, it's my hobby. You know what I mean? So it's like I work, and then this is my little stress reliever. So to me, if you ask me, yes, it is worth it. You know what I mean? Because it makes me happy, so it's cool.
People tend to have a little bit of negative comments online about the 11th gen Accord. Why do you think that is, and what do you have to say about those comments?
Nah, you know what? I kind of agree with a lot of people. So I think the things that I heard from the very beginning was the styling of it. You know what I mean? It's like, I knew it had potential. To me, this one feels a lot more grown. You know what I mean? So it's like, I like it. So personally, I like it. And I know that it's not going to sit well with everyone, but there's a lot of people that have been reaching out to me. They're telling me like, oh man, you're making me want to get it and everything. And that, to me right there you go. I'm happy about that.
So for someone who's never modified their car before, do you have any advice for first-timer beginners who want to start modifying their car?
First thing I would say, don't go into debt, building your car. You know what I mean? Like, just take your time, slow process, but enjoy every part of it. Me, personally, I would say go suspension. Once your car's a little bit lower and everything, your car kind of starts taking shape. Then you start adding, flip kits and everything, and then it starts looking a lot nicer for you.
What was your goal with this 11th gen build?
Originally, to be honest with you, it was just my daily driver. Then it kind of has like a stylish look to it, but also functional. I hope it inspires someone out there to want to get the 11th gens.
All right, there you have it. This is Stan, aka Ghost V4 on Instagram. Go give him a follow on Instagram to support his build.
First of all, appreciate everybody for supporting throughout the years. I'm actually going to be having some merchandise coming out, t-shirts, hoodies, hats, stickers, skateboards. Yeah, I'll be posting it on the page pretty soon. I'll be doing some giveaways as well too. Appreciate you guys for having me as well.